Hello, welcome. I'm Bill Wake. We're here working on some algorithm visualization. We've been doing this on various algorithms over a few weeks, and most recently the shunt-yard algorithm, that's one that Dijkstra developed at least by 1961 for converting infix operators or expressions to postfix. And we added in an evaluator to use the stack and evaluate the postfix, and basically using it as an excuse to get stacks, queues, and counters, and a trace, and delays, and little pieces we need for algorithm visualization. And now that I've done a couple of these, I'd like to package it up, and that's the focus for today. We'll see how that goes. I feel like we were close yesterday, so maybe there's not going to be a whole lot of work from here. So let's get over to the IDE. Okay, so where we are is we've got the algorithm visualization code in the shunt-yard algorithm project. Let's bring up the algoviz one, and we copied the files from the algoviz folder. We've copied those and their tests and went through the packaging. I think, let's see, let's just close these, at least most of them. Okay. And I'm not sure where to go from here. Let's see. I had some documentation. Okay. So we've added supported platforms. We did that. We don't have any dependencies. We didn't have to worry about this all test things. And now we just need to publish it. And I really just want to publish it to my personal GitHub as a private package. I'm not sharing it at this point. It's pretty raw. I can hardly use it consistently. But yeah. All right. And I think, let's see, did they describe that here? Package requirements. Well, I think I basically want to do this, is take my local Git repo and push it up. And I think I can even do that in Xcode. All products are under source control, yes. There's a way to do it. No? I thought there was a create a remote. I know I've done this before. Create a remote repository from here. No. Well, let's just search. Xcode 4. Xcode 5. I think we're on 11 or something like that. Oh, maybe I do it in the in here. And new algoviz remote. That's what I want. All right, and I'll just call it lowercase. I'd rather put it in GitHub. And I'll make it private. Okay. Okay, so that should take care of that. Let's go over here. All right, so this is the AlgoViz package, and it made the initial commit. Okay. Let's see. I don't the README, did I have that in there? I don't think I did. So, oh, we do. Okay. Whatever added that. All right. So, let's copy over. We had description in here. We kind of updated. Yeah. So, I'd like to get this stuff in there. Here. Gosh, I haven't done Markdown in months. Like maybe a year. Okay. Let's see. Is it underscore? Or star? I just don't remember these things. Yeah. Okay, and then another page. I don't know if can I just do this? No. Okay. Well, I think does that not do it? I'm not sure what's making it format. Okay. I guess a little description wouldn't hurt. How about experimental toolkit for getting more sticky vowel keys? This isn't good. Okay. All right, I think that's a good start. Getting this information in here is definitely improvement. Okay, let's see. So we can practice our committing. Make sure everything is good. All right, we'll push to remote, and I'll just keep that there. All right, so one of these described references dependencies. Yeah, so theoretically, can can I, now that I have this in Git, can I just reference it? Adding package dependencies to your app. I guess that's what I'm doing now in my old app. Swift packages, add package dependency, enter its repository URL. Okay, well that's straightforward enough. Wherever my URL went. Okay. Let's make sure I'm reading this right. File Swift packages, add package dependency. Shunt-yard, file Swift package, add package dependency. Wow, I don't even have to. I guess I'm okay. I'll just take what it is. The minimum package version is empty. I don't know. Can I use my tag name? I made a 0.1 here. Must be a head. Do I have a version? You would think I would have to specify the version somewhere. All right, let's go back to this one. Okay, that may be enhancing the default. Okay, we got the Swift Tools version. Name something. AlgoViz, that's fine. Platforms, libraries, targets. Oh, I can use a local package. I didn't manage to do that yesterday. I don't see anything that determines the package version number. I don't know, maybe I can just put 0, 0. Okay. I'll be right back. All right, apparently that's going to take a little while. I have high hopes, though, right? I mean, it seems to have found it and everything. But a git clone would take less time than what's going on here. Okay. Oh, no. The versions of AlgoViz. Zero. Okay, we'll try again. First, we'll figure out how we get a version number on there. Version. Package. Name, default, platform products, targets, Swift language, C language. I'm not getting my question answered, I guess. Let's try that. That's the question. Okay. Well, that doesn't answer my question. Swift tools, dependencies, targets. Maybe I have to create a target class or something, a version class. Version. We specified the branch in the package dependency. You can use version numbers. Well, let's just go grab the commit. Actually, I think I can even see that in here. I certainly do expect some conflicts, though, once we get this thing pulled in, because we've still got the originals. right, library, add to Shunt-yard. Okay. Okay, I'll let it, it's pre-building. I'm going to do a clean and build. And I want to see some mistakes. I want it to complain about a duplicate counter queue, Swift, stack view, stack queue view. I guess that's going to take a minute. Maybe I can keep my search going here. Set version on Swift package. Package.resolved. Okay, that must be on the user side. So presumably there's more uses than, or more users of packages than there are creators. Microsoft version, okay, no. How's this doing? Build succeeded. Well, can I run these tests? Can I run these tests? I guess that has to be in my test setup thing. Shunt-yard test. I don't know that I really want to run these. No, that's... Let's cancel that. Okay, how do I... Let's just muck with this and see what happens. I don't know why it's not responding. Oh, that's my package. Okay, that's probably a good thing. We'll make counter 2. Build. See if this thing can figure out how to pull in the package dependency. I want something to break. Oh, I don't know if we use counter in this one. Let's muck with Q. Or maybe monitor. Okay. I don't know what happens if I delete. Let's see, we were clean before we started, so I should be able to delete the tests. I'm going to kill that. And now I'm going to take out this. I can get it back if I have to. Okay, let's build. Maybe I'm not, I don't think I put any packages in. Maybe that's what I've done wrong. Right. Yeah. Okay, I can tell development is going to be a little weird here. Let's see. How do I reference? I mean, here I have content view. It's referencing a queue. Okay, let me do a clean again, just to be careful. And a build. Cannot find queue in scope. I don't know, can I import? I certainly don't see AlgoViz there. Oh, I do. Oh, it's helping something. It's odd one line fails and the other doesn't it? Okay. Let's try. Okay, that's Shunt-yard app. And let's build this again, see if, no? This AlgoViz module, is that something? Import AlgoViz. Oh, inaccessible due to protection level. Yeah, that's on me. All right, let's build. I guess I got to make it public if I'm going to include it across modules. All right. So let's go back here. Let's clean some things up. Public. Now, I don't know. If I'm supposed to have some sort of package declaration. Apparently it picked it up. So monitors public. The methods need to be public. Did counter have any methods? I almost feel like value's got to be public. Public class. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you notice I have my own stack and queue and some minor data structures. That tells me you can't just take an arbitrary algorithm and plug it in, right? We'd have to have, it has to use the things we talked about. I mean, it has to use my classes. All right, I don't know if these matter. Well, let's run them. Is it? Okay. And if you know what's going on, just say something in the chat, because I'm always happy to have the feedback. Okay, so it's going to take a minute to start up. Well, where's that running? Oh, it didn't need a simulator. Okay, well, test passed anyway. That's a good sign. Make classes, methods, and suitable fields public. Push that. All right, now we're here. Let's update this version. Well, that part doesn't seem so bad. Where's... I guess it was in here, wasn't it? Update this commit. Done. Let's plug it in. Failed. Oh, pre-building. What does that mean? All right, I'll clean, build. Well, something's better. Q is initializers. Did I miss? Oh, I don't have them. Haha. Q, stack, and trace. Trace is on monitor. Did I just miss? No. Due to internal protection level. Trace declared here. Okay. I guess public. Do I say? I think I say published, then public, then var. Okay. These things had implicit initializers, so we'll just add that. Stack here. Run our test. Whoops. Run tests on this side. Well, I mean, there's a slight level of annoyance doing this, but it's not too bad. Okay, so I push, get the current. Oh, I didn't push it all the way. Thought there was a way to push origin main, include tags, sure. Identifier is that now. Back to I guess I don't have this one up still. Edit this. Done. Should update. Hey. Well. Oh. Stack view item is inaccessible. Initializer. Q view. Okay. Cube view. And stack view. Run tests. Oh. What did it do before? Return from initializer without initializing all stored properties. Ooh. Stack and queue are not initialized. Can I just add them? A stack of type stack of item. Okay. I don't know if the callers are going to like that. And queue view. Okay, whoops. Let's run tests first. I think somebody's going to complain because anybody who builds with it, I don't know, do they automatically? I guess they did. Let's find. Oh, that's not here. It's our callers. So I think it probably works out because you get this kind of by default, but it's not public by default, I guess. Okay, so that succeeded. Now we commit. Give views public initializers. Once again, failing to push. Push. Okay. I need to get this thing staying up here. Build again. Build succeeded. All right, let's run some tests. Cannot do it. Okay. It's probably a good time for a break. I think we just have to do some more imports probably. And let's see where we go from there. So like 3 minutes or so. Thanks. Welcome back. All right, so my theory is we just have to add imports on these. Import algo viz. Evaluator infix. All right, and run tests. All right, that's going to take a minute. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's the first time we ran the simulator here. Oh, shoot, did I not push it? Oh, those are modified in that commit. Okay, yeah. All right. Oh, I don't think we use that test delay there anymore. Yeah. All right, once that finishes running, we'll take that out. But, well, I guess I'll check in what we got and then take it out. Still getting started. It's so weird. It's just not responding to its rotate left. Yeah, okay. Oh, gonna start. All right, tests all green. This is good. Okay, so update to use. The algo viz remote package. Nice. All right, I'm happy. I'm historically not great at configuration-y kind of things. I don't know, I was just musing. Like when for my first kind of deeply professional job, I guess you'd say, I worked for DEC for a while, kind of in the late years of the PDP-11 stuff. And I remember doing these sysgens, and I could manage it. But I don't know, it seems every year there's just too many more and more things to learn how to configure. All right, and let's check out evaluator tests, make sure they're not doing the same thing. No, and this comment I just added as we were explaining the algorithm. Okay, just kind of a little cleanup here. How's that? Yeah, this still bugged by this not being able to hook these objects up. I don't have anybody I just kind of lean on for these Swift questions. Maybe I need to find some forums that like newbie questions like that. All right, let's run tests. This should be quick. All right, let's commit this. We just did clean up tests slightly. Commit. Okay. I don't know if I'm allowed to move this tag up. I'd be inclined to. Can I? Well, maybe I just have to make it a new tag. I'll make this 011. Well, the first one was so incompatible, I don't think it matters, but we made things more public, so there should be no harm done. All right, now I'd like to see, can I use these tags as the version name? Let's see how that goes. No. Am I supposed to put version numbers on the Git? Does Git do that? got to be something in this. It's got to be something in the Swift package manager set version. Maybe I'm just not getting this. Maybe I should just be creating. Okay, you make a manifest, declare your dependencies. Yep. Yep. Well, that's all client stuff. How's that being done? I need to create package.swift. Am I supposed to create version.swift? But like, what would tell it? There's my Swift Tools version. Oh. Let's... Right, I say class package. Maybe I just have to do let version equals. Well, let's try something like that. Well, maybe this is up to point 2. Here we are playing around. Do you build? Product. Well, there's a struct for it. Am I supposed to be referencing it up here? Package methods. I don't know if Swift.org, who that's from. Well, it built, but oh, wrong one. Let's try for this in our search. I guess I should maybe someone give an example. I don't know. That is Swift. No, somebody's awesome open source. Manifest is not what I'm doing. That has a version. Okay. I guess we need to commit. Oh, did I do it again? Ooh, is that going to work? Succeeded with an error message. Not two things you want together. Failed to resolve dependencies. Managed requirement. Roots depends on algo is 0 and 2. I'm not doing it right. Oh, and I lost the old one. Okay. I don't know why this is so hard for me. Maybe I'm just relying on examples too much. I don't know. Well, one of those was, where's the articles? Not that one. The one had something that said, here's where people store their stuff. Maybe it was this one. Let's just grab one and see if we can figure out where they're putting the version. Let's just do a view. Package Swift. Well, I don't see anything in here that looks like a version number. Add dependency with the URL. Use CocoaPods. Okay, somehow they got a 0.1.0 in here. Bump to version 0.14. I don't know what I'm looking at. Bump, that's an external thing. All right, let's close this one. From 3.0, okay. Oh, that's that one. Usage. Swift package manifest, that's theirs. It's I'll try my search a little differently. A Swift package. How do I specify the version? I don't know if that's public. Okay, that looks different. Swift Tools version, package instance. Test. Nope. Let me close things. That brings up my package. That's not going to be useful. Oh. Sorry, I'm looking at non-public stuff. That's a view. I'm at a loss. Well, maybe this tool. Well, there's another one. Let's try this. Swift tool version. Publish, create and push a version tag. I'm tagging it. Okay, remote add origin, commit, get tag 1.0. Let's tag this 1.2. Okay, and now we'll try that back on here. Succeeded, but it has an error still. Could not be resolved. No versions match the requirements. Maybe I should use the word tag with this. Well, this is the best one I've got so far. Version-specific logic. To publish your thing, push a version tag. Use any familiar GUI tool, public console. Did I not publish tags when I did this? All right, that's that one. Let's try push. Include tags. Now I don't know if it just lazy looked up. Let's find GitHub again. I'll go viz. Retags 0.1.2. Okay. Let's edit this. One that's not there. Hopefully it forces it to look up. Oh, it was a less than thing. Shoot, man. Oh. Okay, anything from 1 up. All right, we'll clean, build. And run. Well, test and then run. All right, tests are green. Let's see what we got change-wise. Let's commit this. Update to use tagged version of algoviz. And we'll do a run for old time's sake. We haven't run it today, so we should check and make sure it actually still works. I don't think the tests would pass. They use stacks and queues and monitors, so yeah, if it was totally inaccessible, they would blow up. All right. Well, I guess while that's running, let me just point out I published an article yesterday on refactoring. Kind of the question of when do you need to revise tests, and I know there's some out there kind of saying, oh, you must always or must never revise tests when you say do an extract method or something. So check it out, xp123.com. It's the most recent post. All right, so here we go. Let's try an expression. 1 + 2 × 3 + 4. So it should be 1, 2, 3 times plus 4 plus. Okay, the numbers will slide through. Operators pop and push on the stack. Notice the star is there until we compare it to the plus, and we say, "Oh, you're bigger. Then you should exit." 1, 2, 3 times plus, and then 4 should slide through and plus. All right, and then we evaluate. Let's see. So 1 and 2 and 3 all go on the stack. Then times takes the top 2, which is multiplied, and pushes 7. Oh, 6, yeah. Then plus 1 plus 6 is 7. Should push 7 on the stack. Push 4 on the stack. Then add those two, and we should end up with 11. Which matches our intuition. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11. Yay, that all works. So you can see it's not perfectly pretty or anything, but I think at that pace, if you know the algorithm, you're probably able to follow along. If you don't know the algorithm, well, you're probably not. It might be interesting. It would be interesting. It might be nice to have, just like a debugger has a step button. Maybe we would like a step button. It makes me really wish I had coroutines. But there's probably other ways to do it. I mean, we're monitoring a stream of changes. There's probably a way to lock it for a moment while we, wait till we click the button. But it's a future deal. All right, but that works. I'm happy. This is all checked in. All right, so my theory is the next time I do one of these algorithm visualizations, I should be able to just include this package and, 0.1.1 or higher, now that I've got a proper version name, and get the version of all these things and reference it and use it in here. That seems reasonable. All right, and if it uses stacks and queues and simple values, then we probably can use them directly. All right. I don't think I want to start anything at this point. I'm going to be gone next Tuesday. I've got some physical therapy, so I had to schedule that over the normal session. I think that's the only time. But I think what I'm going to do next week, I'd like to do some work on, I have a little graphics application in mind. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But it's not a 1 week example probably, but I don't know, maybe a few weeks, I hope. Not too long. No 100 episodes or anything like that. So thanks for joining me today, and hope to see you again in the future. You can find my stuff on the YouTube channel. Reach out to me on Twitter @WWake. My website, xp123.com. So love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.